Hello students, how are you? I hope that you all are well. We are creating this digital content so that you all can continue your learning at your home. This video is sponsored by KPS CONVENT and its aim is to educate a child for meaningful life. Here we will discuss about the characteristics of sound. In this module, you are able to learn frequency and pitches, amplitude and loudness, quality and timbre. Let's start.
Characteristics of sound. We shall learn what pitch is. Let us press the keys of a musical keyboard one after the other. Notice that the sounds produced by different keys are different. This is because of the difference in pitch. Pitch is that characteristic of sound that determines the shrillness of sound. Hold a bicycle upside down. Rotate the pedal of the bicycle so that its rear wheel starts rotating. Now touch the spokes with a metallic ruler. You will notice that as the speed of rotation increases, the shrillness of the sound also increases. Thus, we can conclude that the pitch of a sound increases with an increase in the frequency of the vibrating body. Listen to the sound of a train as it approaches you and as it leaves. When the source is approaching a listener, the pitch of the sound appears to rise, and as the source recedes from the listener, it appears to fall. We have discovered that the pitch of a sound depends on two factors: frequency of the vibrating body, relative motion between the source and the listener. Frequency of the vibrating body. Higher frequency produces a high pitch or shrill sound, and lower frequency produces a low pitch or flat sound. Relative motion between the source and the listener. The pitch reduces when the distance between the source and the listener increases, and increases when the distance decreases. Listen to this recital by Ustad Zakir Hussain. From the same percussion instrument, he produced loud and feeble sounds. What makes sounds loud or feeble? Loudness is the degree of sensation of sound produced in the ear. Loudness depends upon sensitivity of the ear for that particular frequency, amplitude of vibration, area of the vibrating body, and distance from the source. Sensitivity of the ear for that particular frequency. The perception of loudness varies with individuals. The same sound appears correct for one and too loud for the other. Amplitude of vibration. The greater the amplitude, the louder is the sound produced. This is a sound wave. The amplitude or height of a sound wave is a measure of the amount of energy in the wave. So, the greater the intensity of a sound, the greater is the amplitude. You hear intensity as loudness. The louder sound has a sound wave with greater amplitude. Area of the vibrating body. The larger the area of the vibrating body, the louder is the sound produced. A large drum produces a louder sound than a small one, and for the same reason, a church bell can be heard a great distance away because of a larger vibrating area. Distance from the source. Listen to the siren of an ambulance. It is evident that the loudness of sound decreases with the increase in distance between the source and the listener. Quality. We recognize people by the quality of their voice. We can recognize the musical instruments from their sounds. We can differentiate between a male and a female voice. The characteristic of sound that enables us to distinguish between two sounds of the same pitch and loudness produced by two different sources is called its quality or timbre.
Question time, students. So your question is, what is the SI unit of frequency? Thank you, students. I hope that you all enjoyed the video. Stay connected. Till then, bye bye.